Tunggu, tunggu, tunggu. Ya.
Alright, our plan today, usually we got, 4 people or 3 people or 5 people, one visiting here to learn English. But today, the great day, because I was nowadays, got 11 people, one visiting us here to learn English. Right. I want to share, it's not talking about experience, it's not, my, perception about my area or my opinion about how it's going to right? As human beings, a lot of people worldwide nowadays has a lot. Love is given by Allah from every single human. I was very long, about 2014 at the time. Very long life. When you heard her voice, you will be happy because you don't have to get lunch, breakfast, or about dinner. So how is forget? Hey, at a time, how I forget my time? I lost my time for learning the language time, Italian, German, French, German, Dutch, Esperanto, Spanish, Arabic, Turkish, almost 10 languages at the time. Till 2016 at the time. I remember myself, for a while I learned languages, so I still learn Esperanto, I still learn Spanish. So I left behind a lot of that languages, so I focused on learning Spanish until now. And then I spent my whole life, almost 7 years, learning Redneck accent or American accent exactly from the United States. But how does it forget your age? I focus for the content channel. I just want to see that I'm promoting a different country, United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Asia, Middle East, mostly like 3 of them nowadays. Then more people join with the great or the best teacher worldwide, the teacher Fami Hanifa, every single meeting, every single week, everything here to learn like English. That makes me comfortable from this day. Feel like this, I got a lot of people want to learn English. It's my, my heaven in my life, a lot. But I just remember my heart from our prophet agenda was Allah. Man habbani faqad habba Allah. If you love me, you will love Allah. That's every single time I got, again my, I fought myself, salawat, agenda to salam every single time. So now just fell love the prophet agenda to salam. So I don't feel love with like the people, like friends, the teacher. But when you love the agenda to salam, you love Allah. That's just like me. It's my time. Alright. My speaker up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Running question.
No.